4 chefs are about to battle for supermarket supremacy. Let's meet them. First up, David Blonsky, a restaurateur and corporate chef in Chicago, Illinois. Then we have Lisa Vigil, the owner of Estolia's Mexican Foods and mother of 2. Then we've got Jay Keane, the executive chef and owner of Whisk, a pop-up restaurant in Boston, Massachusetts. And to round things out, Justine Cowan, a mom and line cook at Flores Restaurant in Malibu, California. Let's start with something simple and fun. You buy that?
No, I don't.
It's something my kids love at my house. We're gonna talk about a taco night feast. I'm sure you have your own interpretation of what a great taco night is. We wanna see that.
Yeah.
You have 30 minutes to shop, prepare, and plate. Let the taco night feast begin. To your carts. And we're going in 3, 2, 1, go! And I forgot to tell you guys, this game's called Out of Stock.
Why don't y'all have tortillas?
Buenos dias, shoppers. All of our taco shells and tortillas are out of stock.
Tricky, tricky, tricky.
Attention, shoppers. We're sorry to inform you that all ground meat is out of stock.
I headed to the shrimp because 2 of my 3 restaurants, we serve Asian shrimp tacos. I happen to be running by the little refrigerated Asian section. Wontons, what a perfect product to use for my taco shop.
I grabbed the tilapia fish, and I'm gonna do the salad style, and I'm gonna put lots of veggies. I'm gonna serve it with tortilla chips, chipotle beans, and bell peppers.
A taco with no tortilla is just something that you can hold, fold it, and eat. Oh, I saw the hollow there, it was like a light bulb. I don't like to think of tacos with rules. Challah bread's just a really buttery, beautiful bread.
When I can't find something, I'll always find a substitute. I decided on making southern fried fish taco bowls, frying cod and cornmeal mixture.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working. Yeah. Good. Game 1, Triple G, and we have a taco fiesta night. First up will be Chef Justine. Justine, please describe to the judges what they're to enjoy.
It's tilapia today. I have 3 sons. We don't do the tortillas. We like to try to eat healthy.
Chef Jay.
Like a good Jewish boy, I got a challah taco. Hand-seared piece of fish. I got miso aioli, a little bit of pickled watermelon. Get it with the watermelon.
Next up, Chef Lisa, what do we have here?
We have southern fried fish tacos. When I make fish tacos, I don't like grilled fish, I like fried fish. It's a little spicy, so if spice is not your thing, then we're gonna have an issue.
And last but definitely not least, Chef David.
When I think of tacos, I think drinking, eating, it gets messy. You have a wonton taco with some battered shrimp, served with a little michelada, with a little slice of ginger and a lime.
Unfortunately, one of you has to check out. Chef Justine, you are checked out, unfortunately. You're a proud mom. I love the fact that what you delivered is what you feed your family. Thank you very much. Well, congratulations, chefs. Survived the first round of competition. First chef to bring back the correct item will earn a key advantage in the next game. First clue, its name means sweet root since it's flavored with a root said to be 50 times sweeter than sugar. Its flavor is often confused with anise. For the guy that didn't know anything, sure rolls it out with the black licorice. I'll just hold on to this for you. Now, I would like you to make me something super all-American, and that is a sandwich. And I don't care what kind of sandwich. Everybody ready? 3, 2, hang on.
Oh, hell.
I'm actually concerned that you guys might just be too good at making like a regular sandwich. Yeah, I got an idea. We'll have you guys just get food from the frozen section. Oh, except, didn't you win the culinary challenge?
Yeah.
Fantastic. You get to shop for one item anywhere in the store. Frozen food feud in 3, 2, 1, go!
So at my 3 restaurants, I serve lunch. I have to have killer sandwiches on the menu. And I'm kind of assessing what's there. Saw blueberry waffles I can use for my bun element, and I'm trying to find a meat element to add to my sandwich. Let's see here. All of a sudden, I see duck sitting right there. It like shines in my face. The meat has this wonderful texture. I see this blueberry tart. I could take the topping off and use the filling as a sauce.
I went straight to waffles. I want to make a chicken and waffle sandwich. When I grabbed the chicken breast, I had no option. There was no chicken patties. I had to bring that sweetness with the sandwich. So I went straight for the berries.
I have a lot to prove. I'm gonna show that I can execute an idea. So I'm thinking sliders. All of a sudden, I see those frozen breakfast sausage biscuits. I can toss a sausage patty, and then I got 2 little pieces of buttery biscuit. Then I see duck. I love doing duck with different kinds of fruit. I want to use the peach as a sauce. I see smoked salmon. Does duck and smoked salmon go together? I really don't know. I've never tried it. I love working with no rules.
15 seconds.
Oh my God, no.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop working. All right, here we are, game 2, Triple G. It was a sandwich challenge. They could go anywhere they wanted in the store as long as it was in the frozen aisle. That's awesome. So let's start off with Chef David. What do you have for the judges?
I made a seared duck sandwich with blueberry compote. I had a little bit of blueberry waffle and a little bit of a dessert, a little mochi ball, and then I made a caramel milkshake to wash it down.
Next up, Chef Lisa.
I landed with a chicken and waffle sandwich. Some whipped cream. I mixed some of the berries in the whipped cream, just in case you want to spread it like a sandwich.
Chef Jay.
All right, so I got mini biscuits, a little bit of duck breast. I have a peach sauce in the bottom, a little smoked salmon, and there's the spread of that strawberry glaze in the bottom.
Now here we are, game 2. Sandwiches all out of the frozen food aisle. Unfortunately, one of you has to check out. Lisa, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Lisa, I want the best seafood dish that you can make. Chefs, to your cards. Best seafood dish you can deliver. We're gonna go in 3, 2, 1. Oh. You guys think I was gonna let you off that easy?
No chance.
I forgot to tell you this. You must make your dish using 5 items or less.
How am I gonna make a killer seafood dish with only 5 items or less?
We're going in 3, 2, 1, go!
Scallops. Scallops, scallops, scallops. I've done seared scallops. I've done scallop crudos. Scallop crudo is just scallop served raw. With such a limited amount of ingredients, I need every ingredient to be strong. I need lemon, I need ginger, I need shallots. I need a really nice sweet white vinegar.
Let's make this killer udon with this kimchi beer broth and some wonderful fresh sauteed mussels. Udon, udon, udon. I grab my udon noodles. I see my kimchi. I'm running off and I grab my Asian beer. I have one more ingredient left. I race to the produce section. Cilantro is gonna be the key ingredient to really make this dish pop.
4, 3, 2, 1. Jeff, stop working. All right, here we are. Game 3, Triple G. Jay, please present to the judges.
This is scallop 2 ways. I got a pan-seared scallop, crispy ginger, and the pickled saffron onions for my balsamic reduction. On the other side, I got a scallop crudo. I really think the cooked scallop going with the raw are gonna dance.
Next up, Chef David.
You have kimchi and beer mussels, and then you have some nice sauteed ponzu kind of stir-fry noodle dish. I'm a big fan of mussels. I love how you get to use the shell and pick up the liquid. I suggest slurping.
What a competition. Both of you played the creativity to the A level, and it really comes down to taste. And the chef that will stay will be Chef Jay. In my hand, I have got a list of 10 items. You have 2 minutes to find as many items as you can. Each item you find, put in the basket, will be worth $2,000. You grab all 10 items before your time is up, you will win $20,000. Go get that money. It's a lot of coin. You feel good?
Yeah, I feel good. All right. I'm
Ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay, we're going in 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, vegetable oil, canned oysters, whole wheat flour, 42 seconds left. Come on, 7 seconds.
Canned oysters.
In the cart, in the cart, in the cart. Time. The kid from Boston, he takes it for $12,000. It's a good day's work.